If you've just updated to iOS 18.3.1 and noticed a significant drop in battery life, you're not alone. Like every major iOS update, this one also comes with a battery drain issue. But don't worry, we've got some effective ways to fix it and extend your iPhone's battery life. Let's dive in. First, if your battery is draining faster than usual, Apple actually recommends waiting a few days before making any changes. This is because background processes run immediately after an update, which can temporarily increase power consumption. If the issue persists beyond a few days, here are some optimizations you can implement. Make sure you're running the official public release of iOS 18.3.1 and not a beta version. To check, go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update. If an official update is available, install it to ensure you're on the most stable version. Next, disabling haptic feedback can help conserve battery life. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, then select Haptics. Set it to either Never Play or Play in Silent mode. Since vibrations consume extra power, turning them off can help improve battery life. Another adjustment you can make is disabling the screen distance feature. Head to Settings, then Screen Time, and find the screen distance option. Turning it off can save battery, since this feature continuously monitors how close you hold your phone to your eyes. Lastly, try to minimize your use of cellular data and rely on Wi-Fi whenever possible. Mobile data typically consumes more power, so using Wi-Fi can help extend battery life throughout the day. And that's it! These simple tweaks can help you get the most out of your iPhone's battery on iOS 18.3.1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.